Royal Jet channel, a channel for innovation, creativity, and time. And here today, I am going to show you how to make an AHA mini light, just like this. I will show you from the scratch how the parts are and how they are componented. At the end, we'll test it and we'll see the result. Okay, here I'm going to show you the parts of the light. Number one, this is the pole wired at the back. You can see how the cable is networked. We call the light pole. And this is the pipe. The pipe inside here, there's a spring there. We spring loaded it, and here there's also another panel where the battery, the positive side of it. Then here we also have the switch. I'm going to solder it right now. And here we have the end. That's this thing we use them for finishing. This is my lead. This is my seal tape. This is my razor blade, and this is my hacksaw, and this is my plier, and this is the power, the battery, and then this is my soldering iron. Now that we are done soldering, let's get into coupling our mini lights. Now we have through with the coupling, and this is how the lights look like. And now let's test. The 3 cells are inside. Then let's check. So this is how the light is. Thank you so much for your patronage. Thank you. Don't forget to share and like this video.